Hello and welcome everybody. In this video I would like to review a new product which I've received called Sense of Smell. So it's a kind of name for it, SOS, which stands for the sense of smell, and this is the box how it look like. So if you turn it around, so it's written in German, but basically it's explaining different type of products that are used inside this essential oil, I guess. So it's a very high quality and 100% natural. So it has lavender, thyme, it has peppermint and mandarin. So looking at the box itself, it is something that can be used to smell. And if you open the box, it's composed of a short user manual in here, which explains in different European languages. So it explains why is this important, or why is it a good thing for training the smell or the sense of smell. Let's go to the English one. Let me see. Yes, the second one is in English. There we go. Why smell training? So smelling is a fundamental part of our lives. Smell evokes strong emotion and have positive impact on our life satisfaction. So I guess this is a product for training the smell indeed, as it's written. And the 4 different colors, they represent basically different smells. And this is pretty much how it looks like from this angle, I would say. Basically it says take one of them and place the inhaler directly under the nose, relax and inhale slowly, and don't do it too quickly. Pause for 20 seconds before moving to the next scent. Interesting. So which means we need to use these ones to fill. How much can we put in? We can drizzle 5 to 10 drops in the supplied oil and wick inside the glass. What else have we got? So here a little bit of let's say description about the essential oil information. Thyme, it's explaining from where it comes or how it's produced. So the mandarin, peppermint and lavender. Interesting. Let's give it a try. Let's start with the lavender in here. So this is how it look like. Smells really nice. Let's see how we can. Okay, maybe how can we open this? Oh, I see. Okay, just need to drag it out. Okay, so it's a kind of glass with something inside it like a cotton. Yeah, indeed. So okay, that means these drops have to be dropped in this one. Interesting. And it smells really nice. So this one, what is this one is, oh, the box is placed actually wrongly in the initial setup. Interesting. So this is gonna be here for lavender and this is the mandarin. Indeed, it smells like a very nice mandarin. So let's have a look at the box. In fact, looking at the picture, it's supposed to be completely other way around. I'm not sure if the order matters here, but fine. Let's start with this one. The peppermint. Very nice. It smells like the chewing gums. Then we have the green one, which is the thyme. Very nice. To me, it doesn't really smell like thyme. It's more of like, it smells something like a wood. Quite interesting smell, I would say. But between all of them, I like the lavender one the most. It smells really natural to me. I don't feel any chemical in here. It feels quite natural. Let's have a look at these drops. So we have 5 milliliter inside. So if you open it, very simple drop. Very nice product. I would give it really 5 star, I would say. I'm not sure what is the intention of this training. Perhaps I need to search it a little bit or read their page. They have a website as well. By the way, I'm not sponsored by them. I just received this as a product to test. Yeah, really nice product. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the bell. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any topics or if you have any products that you would like me to test, please get in touch with me. I'm happy to do so. Until then, see you next time. Thank you and bye bye.